How to find out about the past? There are several ways of finding out about the past. Books called manuscripts, inscriptions, and the old things found or excavated. Early man did not know how to read and write. People started to write on the dry palm leaves or specially prepared bark of the birch tree. The birch tree grows in the Himalayas. Manuscripts. The books were written by hand and called manuscripts. These books dealt with all kinds of subjects: epics, plays, medicine, science, lives of kings, religious beliefs and practices. By studying these books, we can find out about the culture of that time: food, style of clothes, houses, agriculture, trade, battles, etc. Inscriptions. These are writings on hard surfaces like stone or metal. Kings often kept records of victories in battle. They used to get them inscribed in stones on the walls of a building. Sometimes kings got their orders inscribed so that people could see, read, and obey them. Some land documents were recorded on copper plates. Writings on hard surface are difficult to inscribe, but the inscriptions on hard surfaces last longer for hundreds of years, sometimes thousands of years. Sources. The information obtained from the study of the manuscripts, inscriptions, and archaeology is called source. Once sources are found about a certain thing or person of the past, the scholars learn about it and organize the details bit by bit to make its whole form appear. It is like reconstruction. The scholars who study the past are called historians. So, archaeologists and historians use all the sources like the clues by a detective to find out the unknown details of the past.